What up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another video, guys. Today is the day today. Today is the 5th. Guys, today is Thursday, the 5th of June, bro. Guys, this whole week I did not take one trade, bro. I didn't take a single trade, dog. And then this thing it's so confusing, guys. Bro, it's literally confusing because it's like, you know, I saw this move. Remember, there's a clip there's on the previous video. I said that the dollar index will continue selling. It might come to this. That's why I put my fib zone there. It came to the fib zone here, but obviously I can't trade the DXY, But then on GBP USD and Euro USD and like all the other trades, bro, I just couldn't see a setup, dog. I literally couldn't see a setup. I don't know if am I scared or is it a thing of I'm following my rules. Maybe I am on the right path. You get? I don't know if I'm on the right path or I'm just too scared to enter and I'm thinking too much of the outcome because I really don't like losing, and I feel like that's a lot of us, the unprofitable traders out there. So I'm trying to remove that whole thing of not trying to lose trades, right? But then also I'm gonna make an example, guys, on GBP USD, man. Let's analyze this. It's really frustrating because also tomorrow's NFP, so I don't know if maybe the market it's moving like this for NFP's move, and then after NFP tomorrow, the following week we might get now a structure. I don't know, But then, guys, I won't lie, it's been weird, boy. It has, bro. Because I was waiting for something like this, bro. Yeah. I was waiting for the market to come to my fib zone because I had a zone right here, bro. Let me show you. I had a fib zone here, boy. Bam. I was waiting for the market to come around here before I start looking to enter trades. Look what this thing did. It didn't come to my order block. It didn't come to my fib zone. It just rallied up. So I don't know, when things like this happen, is it a good thing because I followed my rules? I was patient enough to wait for price to come to my my area of interest, and then since price didn't get there and I did not execute, is it a good thing? Or was it a thing of no, I could have easily just adapted with the market and and done something like this? Because these things you realize after the market has already moved, dog, that this was actually I could have waited maybe for this high to get broken around here. What would I have done? Let me see, actually, dog, because this thing is really frustrating, dog, because you don't know when to be aggressive, when not to be aggressive, you see. Because right around here, maybe I should have entered somewhere here. Who knows, bro? It's this thing is tough, dog. Because look at this, dog. So many opportunities. Could have waited for the break of this high. Now comes that test, and I could have easily made a trade right here, bro. But then in the moment, we just dog. This thing is it's trash, bro. And you know what pisses me off? I saw the moves, bro. I literally saw the moves, and you guys can clearly see on the markings, my structure shows that it's literally showing that we're going up, dog. Literally, bro, we are literally going up. The only trade I could say it's this one, this one, Euro GBP, this pair. This is the only pair I could be kind of proud with myself for not entering, because I've got valid reasons why I'm not entering, because on the daily we still bearish, you get. And then when you come to the 4 hour right here, this thing moved. It didn't give us any structure, and I can't even take a buy right now. It will be dumb, because what if the market is still at this order block right here? It's still around here. You get. So buying here would be so stupid, bro. but then also selling here as well. What selling confirmations do I have? Is there any break of structure patterns? No. There is no break of structure patterns to the downside. Everything is just looking bullish at this point. You know what I'm saying? So, it's tricky, bro. It really is tricky. GBP CHF, also another trade I'm proud, like another pair I'm proud that I did not enter. Why? Purely based off of this, bro. Control this thing, bro. Look where price is. Look at this, guys. What's this? Clear as day, bro. This is a fucking range. Apologies for the language. This is a range, This is clear, boy. We might get this next week, dog. We might get something like this next week. Bam. And then shoot up. Those that trade AMD, dog. If you guys know what AMD is, probably this might be an AMD. This is where the market is accumulating, and then it's manipulation, then distribution. You might get something like that. And on the previous video, I did say I'm looking for something like this, based off of the fact that based off of this, just so that price can come to this zone here. So this is what I'm looking at on GBP CHF, bro. An AMD, and also price to come to my zone of interest. Easy stuff. But by the looks of things, this thing might shoot up. If it shoots up, this is gonna be a BOS, and then we're gonna wait for a retest before we start buying. Simple. You get simple. So I haven't traded this week. The dollar index, I did say it's gonna come to this fib zone, and yeah. Now look, GBP USD. Let me shine like a young thing. GBP USD, guys. Let's go to the daily. Let me see something. You guys can clearly see on the daily, bro. We are in an impulse phase. Like, this is so impulsive. But then now we're failing to break above and close and break above these highs. We did wake above, I'm not gonna lie. So it might be a sign that we might continue going up, or the market might give us something like this before shooting. That's what ideally this is the move I'm looking for at least price to come and come to my zone before shooting up. But then it just it's tough, dog. This thing is tough, dog. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this shit is difficult, bro. Cause look at the 4 hour now, dog. 4 hour is just bullish, bro. No sign of going to the downside, but then you don't know when it's gonna make that reverse, bro. That's the fucked up part about the market. Like, you don't know when it's gonna reverse to the downside, when it's gonna give you the move you're looking for. So right now, though, it's just gonna be one of those weeks where I literally 0 trades. I took 0 trades this week, bro. Like 0. I don't know. Should I be proud of myself? Should I be, careful and be like, is it a good thing that I didn't? Because it's not like I didn't see the moves. I saw the direction, and the market went in my direction. You get? Because even with this, I thought it was gonna come with this low down. I remember saying on the video that it's gonna come below this low, maybe somewhere around here, to come wake us up. Oh boy, did not do that. Now look, that's what pisses me off. They didn't do that, nah, but it aligned with my fib so nice. Oh, it didn't even come to the zone, bro. They didn't even come to my fib zone. That's crazy. That is crazy, bro. So the market's been on some bullshit, I won't lie, guys. This thing has been on some bullshit. But the next week is another week, bro. Next week is another week. There's gonna be more opportunities to watch. I'm gonna come back as stronger, man. I swear, bro. It really is confusing. guys, because it's like you don't know whether what you're doing is right or not, because spending the whole week not trading, you literally feel like you weren't productive at all, though. It feels like I was not productive, and for a person that's trying to trade full time and do this thing seriously, to spend a whole week not trading, I don't know, bro. Imagine if I didn't like, if I was just depending on trading as an income, I would be stressed right now. Get, I wouldn't be okay, because I would start doubting myself on some, I couldn't even spot my trades, But then also I don't wanna. It's a lot, bro. You don't wanna force trades now, because for the fact that price didn't come here, and then I entered a thing, you don't know if it's a forced trade or if it's actually, understandable that I did not take a trade, guys. So to any of the traders out there, I don't know, guys, like maybe whoever sees this maybe might give advice on some, yo, bro, maybe I'm going in the right direction, or like, yo, try do this next time, try do that, and guys, I know I keep saying if someone who sees my videos is gonna end, no one actually really sees my videos, but one day they wanna see these videos. I swear they will, bro. They are gonna see these videos. By the time they see these videos, I'll be probably far done, far, bro. But then yeah, that's me for the week, guys. Like 0 trades this week, nothing whatsoever. I just couldn't find anything. So we'll see what NFP has for us tomorrow. Yeah, because tomorrow is NFP, guys. So we'll see where the market moves. But my prediction for what NFP will do for the dollar, we push it down, bro. I don't know, sir. We are selling. We are selling on the dollar. The dollar will sell tomorrow. We will sell the dollar tomorrow. Yeah, GBP USD, I'm seeing buys, bro. If price comes to this zone, if the news pushes, if by any chance the news takes price here, which I doubt, I will buy. I will buy this bitch. No cap, bro. Same with EU, bro. Price does any attempt to come to any of the zones I'm looking at, dog, I'm buying it. Need to draw another block. I will buy it. I swear, bro, I'm buying that shit. Yet, I'm gonna buy. But I thought the news is gonna push price that down, that low, for it to just go back up. If it does, then yeah, shout out. But I doubt that's gonna happen. But then I don't wanna think about it too much as well, guys, because it's like, there's so many opportunities in the market. There will forever be so many opportunities in the market. So dwelling on moments like this, it's pointless. You guys can see. Let me analyze the dollar index fast. Because I think it's still gonna dip this thing. Yeah, it's gonna sell. It's gonna sell, guys. But then, yeah, guys, that's basically the end of the video, bro. I think I'm just gonna end the video right here, guys. There's really nothing else to analyze. There's nothing else to do. Let's just watch. Or should I enter a trade right now? I don't know. Because it's also aligning. Like, it really is aligning with the buys. The dollar index is telling me we're selling. This thing is telling us we buy. But I don't know, guys. I really don't know, bro. Like, Oh, I don't know, boy, but like I need to change something. I need to get rid of this little fear I have. Whatever this thing is, dog, it needs to like, yeah, it needs to be there, boy. So I'll just take a paper trade live on the video, I guess, just to see, dog, if I were to enter with real money, what would happen. I'll take this young 1:1 trade, nothing crazy, just a young 1:1, and we'll see what happens, bro. But other than that, guys, I think this is the end of the video, man. Like, I'll catch you guys on the next. Let me take this one. I'm taking these two live impulsive trades just to see what's happening. Yeah. Oh. So this thing is it's confusing. But then yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video tomorrow, Friday. I don't know, maybe I might analyze and post a video, I doubt. But yeah, guys, trying this consistency thing, guys. You know, I've been quite consistent these days, and I'm just aiming to improve the consistency. That's it, just so that I can get out there. The people that need to see my videos, you know, they get a hold of the videos, and you know, who knows, dog, as much as I'm unprofitable, what if I know something, or I said something that might help someone out there, and that might be the missing piece to their shit, you know? So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out, guys.